Let us now see some foreign sounds that has come to Tamil. Earlier, these letters or sounds did not exist in the ancient text, and with the import of some of the words, just imagine you have a friend by name Stephanie, or there have been various Sanskrit words that has come to Tamil, words like Vijay or Jodi, that means pair. There are so many words using letter sounds like ksha, sha, ha, ja, which did not exist in Tamil. For this practical purpose, in the recent many years, these sounds have been imported to Tamil. Let us look at some of them. They are ha, sha, ksha, ja, sa, shri. Ha, sha, ksha, ja, sa, shri. Now let us look at the letter ha. Ha. It's Hindi. Hindi. It uses the sound ha and it changes to he. Hindi. Hari. That's the Lord Hari, the God Hari. Or there's also, it's a very common name, Hari. Helicopter. Helicopter. This is used in Tamil the same helicopter. Helicopter. Hotel. 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 Now let us look at the next letter Sha. That is Varusham. Year. Varusham. Varusham. Sha is a Sanskrit sound that has come to Tamil. Varusham. Trouble. Kashtam. Kashtam. Shankar, that's a name. Shankar. Shankar. Poison. Visham. Visham. Now let us look at the next letter, Ksha, K-S-H-A. This is not a very common sound that you'll hear, but it's being used once in a while. Delicacy, Pakshanam, Pakshanam, delicacy. Sakshi, there's also a name Sakshi, and Sakshi also means a witness. Though there's another word, Sakshi, in Tamil for witness, but Sakshi is probably the origin of the word. Sakshi. Sakshi. The next letter is Ja. Ja. Jallikattu. That's a bullfight. Jallikattu. Joseph Vijay. These are both names. Joseph Vijay. Truth. Nijam. Nijam. Vase. Jadi. Jadi. The next letter is Sa. Sa. This is used sometimes instead of the Tamil letter cha or sa, like strawberry. Strawberry. It's an English. This is the English word strawberry, and there's no alternative for that in Tamil. There's no trans. It cannot be translated, so they write strawberry. Studio. Studio. Studio is for the sound is or sa. This is used. Shri, that's the next letter we are seeing. It's used for gods like Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Lalita, and it is also as a title of respect like Shri. Or you use it, imagine you are giving some invitation to people, you also write Mr. Ram, Mr. Krishnan, Mr. Joseph, Mr. It also means you also write if you want to write that in a Sanskritized form, Sri. And for Mrs. it is Sri Mati, Sri Mati, Sri Mati. This is another combination of letters used for the practical purpose of if you want to use the sound if free, because we have only p in Tamil and there is no chance of writing if in Tamil. This ich sound and ip sound is combined to make the sound of free, like Frida, Florence, France,